Hey guys, welcome back to my for Smart Kitchen. So today I have come up here with a sweet recipe that is coconut biscuit burfi. So let's get started. So firstly we need 3/4 cup of custard, 1 cup of grated coconut, half cup of sugar, 1 cup of crushed biscuits, 3/4 cup of almonds, 3/4 cup of fig, 3/4 cup of chopped cashew nuts, and 3/4 cup of pistachios. So firstly we need to on the stove, then place a pan on top of it. So to the heated pan add the grated coconut, sugar, and saute it for 5 minutes. Keep on roasting the coconut until it becomes into a light brown color. So the coconut has well roasted, and then add the chopped biscuits. Then to this add the chopped pistachios, chopped fig, and then add the chopped almonds and mix well. Now add the chopped coconuts to it. Now add the chopped cashew nuts into it and mix well. Now to this add the prepared custard. And once again mix well. So now the mixture has well combined, so let's off the stove and transfer it to a pudding dish. So firstly take a pudding dish, then lay on a baking sheet and then grease it with some ghee. Now to this add the mixture. And then spread on all sides evenly. Now keep this tray in room temperature for 1 hour. Coconut biscuit burfi is ready. So now start cutting them into pieces according to your requirement. Coconut biscuit burfi is a very easy sweet recipe which you can serve your loved ones. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, and also don't forget to press on the bell icon so that you get the notifications time to time when we upload new videos. And also do like, comment down in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.